Samsung's Galaxy S23 users, rejoice! The tech giant has hit the restart button on the One UI 8 update, but the journey hasn't been smooth sailing. The plot twist: Samsung initially halted the One UI 8 update for its flagship devices, including the Galaxy S24, S22, and S23 series, due to emerging issues. But here's the twist: the update is back, and it's bringing some much-needed stability to the table. According to reports, Samsung has resumed the Android 16-based One UI 8 update for the Galaxy S23, S23 Plus, and S23 Ultra. This update includes the October 2025 security patch, ensuring your device is protected against the latest threats. Tarun Vats, a reliable source, confirmed this news on X Twitter, with Sam Mobile also covering the story. Many users eagerly updated their Galaxy S23 devices to One UI 8 when it first rolled out. However, for those who held off, this resumption is a welcome surprise. The update is currently live in South Korea, and other regions are expected to follow soon. The update size is approximately 385 megabytes for those already on One UI 8. But if you're upgrading from One UI 7, be prepared for a larger download, as noted by Sam Mobile. This update addresses a plethora of bugs and vulnerabilities, as detailed on Samsung's security updates page. However, if you're already on One UI 8, you won't notice significant visual or functional changes. If you've been waiting to update your Galaxy S23, now's the time. Head to Settings, a software update, or download and install to get the latest and greatest. With the Galaxy S23 lineup resuming updates, it's likely that the Galaxy S23 FE will also receive its update soon. The controversy: while some users have praised the update, others have reported issues. Some users claim that One UI 8 has negatively impacted their battery life, while others haven't noticed any changes. There have also been reports of Bluetooth glitches, but it's unclear if this was the reason behind Samsung's initial pause. What's your take on this? Have you experienced any issues with One UI 8, or has it been smooth sailing? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's spark a discussion.